Hello, welcome to my backyard, my little outdoor kitchen that I've been using so much this summer. I've been making this summer salad, this corn salad. It's actually my mom's recipe, and there's not a lot of measuring involved, so I'm gonna do my best to measure things out for you, but I will tell you all the ingredients and I will show you how I do it, and you're gonna love this salad. It's the best thing ever. I'm actually almost ODing on it a little bit because I'm just eating it every day, but it's so easy and it's so delicious. What I'm really excited about is that I can use some of my new fresh herbs that I have in my garden, and I even have tomatoes. Okay, so it's not a lot of them, but I'm gonna pick some of them and use it for the salad. Oh yeah, actually this stuff looks good. Okay, I can do some of these green leaves. Alright, so I like to do a bunch of vegetables at the same time, and then I have them for the week. So I'm grilling a ton of veggies already. I'm just going to put the corn in with it. Side note, in case you didn't notice, I'm kind of scared of grills. I feel like they're really unpredictable and there's always like fire flying up, and I'm really scared of grills, but I'm getting a little better at it. Okay, I'm just gonna let this be. Oh, and by the way, can we just talk about this cute necklace that I just found? I forgot that I had it. This little Danny Joe bib necklace. How cute, just like with a tank top and jeans. So summery. Alright, I'm just gonna show you what's going on here in the grill. Okay, meanwhile, while the corn is cooking, and I am keeping a very close eye on it, I promise, I chopped up my cherry tomatoes that I bought and the one cherry tomato that I picked into just little halves. And then if you do the onions, you'll have the onions too after they're done on the grill, and then you'll chop them up as well. And then the best part, the dressing. Oh wait, I almost forgot. My fresh basil that I picked. It smells delicious, by the way. Okay, so I'm gonna chop this really quickly. I've already washed it. To the side. So here is the secret sauce. Ready? Hold on. Secret sauce. So I don't have the exact measurements, but I'm gonna guess here, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm gonna do about a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil. Keep in mind, my salad's not gonna be that big. It's just for me and my husband, so you can make a bigger dressing the more people you have and the bigger the salad. Okay, plain white vinegar, I'm gonna do about half of that. So that's it. And then a little bit of salt. A bit of pepper, and then the super secret ingredient, sugar. I know what you're thinking, you're probably rolling your eyes right now, but I promise you, it's delicious. I'm just gonna do a tablespoon, just a tablespoon. All right, it's a lot, I know. It's really good. And that is it. Shake it. Let's try it. Pretty good. It's perfect, actually. All right, so we'll put that to the side.
Make sure you shake it really, really good though. Next is the corn. All right, so you wanna get yourself a really huge bowl. I already started it a little bit. This is what the whole salad's gonna go in. And you're gonna grab your corn on the cob. You can go and get yourself one of these fancy little corn on the cob things. It takes all of the corn off. You should, because it makes it so easy. And then that's it, you just go like this. Now, it's going to fly everywhere still, but it just is what it is. Also be careful, because it'll slice your finger if you're not paying attention. Okay, ready? We're putting all of the ingredients together. So that's it. So easy, and it is so good. Just put it in the fridge, let it chill, and then you can seriously eat it with every meal.